Here's another wonderful story. A man was waiting for his wife to give birth. The doctor came and informed the dad that his son was born without a torso, arms, or legs. He was just a head. But the dad loved the son and raised him as best as he could. 18 years later, the son was old enough for his first drink. The dad took him to a bar, tearfully told him he was proud of him, and ordered the biggest, strongest drink for his boy. With all the bar patrons looking curiously, the boy took his first sip. Swoop! A torso popped out. The bar is dead silent. The father, shocked, begged the son to drink again. The patrons chanted, "Take another drink! Take another drink!" The bartender shook his head in dismay. Swoop! Two arms popped out. The bar went wild. The father, crying and wailing, begged the son to drink again. The patrons chanted, "Take another drink! Take another drink!" And the bartender ignored the whole affair. By this time, the boy was getting tipsy. With his new hands, the boy reached down, grabbed the drink, and guzzled the last of it. Swoop! Two legs popped out. The bar was in chaos. The father wept with joy, and the boy stood on his new two legs. He stumbled to the left, stumbled to the right, then he stumbled through the front door and into the street where a truck ran him over. The bar fell silent. His father moaned with grief, and the bartender merely sighed and said, "He should have quit while he was ahead." 2:22 a.m.